There is always a something for a man of God.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
This is madam.
You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
I just dey waka dey. Madam, as I go check people for the other side, all those man.
Okay.
Wetin happen in the church?
Okay.
Don't be waiting carry me come today.
Let's go come church. I don't go find out.
No.
He shock you.
You have other days to stay at home and do your things, do your market. But Sunday is for God.
You don't know why it's going on.
Why good one for that matter?
Also, I don't be asking this. No, still I say on a both check on that place.
As for that one, I will send my evangelical team out. But I have a scripture that I want to read. In the book of Mephibosheth.
Hey, Mama.
Hi, Mr. Okoro.
Good morning.
You don't know why it's going on.
I'm not alone.
Yeah, good one.
I'm at the body. Give me cook now. Go where? Go where? Bring him now. You get change?
Hey, Mr. Okoro, you know my birthday.
You mean now? Oh! So
I no pay.
ah! Hey, oh, thank you. Mama, happy birthday.
Thank you.
You go celebrate another one. Another good day. Thank you.
You don't know why it's going on.
In the book of Jeremiah, he said,
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
he said, come to the house of God when you are in need, and the Lord shall supply.
Hello,
ma. How you doing? I meet you well. I beg, I need you get predator. Give me one.
Today na my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh.
Happy birthday.
I don't know, leave my birthday. I my birthday.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Of Mephibosheth, but he said, if the man of God
Big mama. What's going
You don't know why it's going on.
I want give me legend. Cool legend.
No trophy?
Nah, I will give you the trophy. Give me challenge.
Mr. Collins, today na my birthday.
Hey, mama, we go celebrate am.
Today my
We go celebrate am. Many more years, mama. It's on my own. Make I don't pay. It go better for
I
you.
dey do birthday for my customer.
I want it go better for you.
Oh,
It
yeah.
go better for you. It go better for you.
Thank
It go better for you. One lie.
Good customer.
Mama, now when I come, you don't say your birthday.
Do me a favor, please. Get out
I
of
never
here.
chop this morning.
Get out of here, man. Shit.
Don't get anything for you. Don't get anything for you. Finish, finish.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Jesus.
It's something for a man of God.
Oh my God.
Now, me
Are you playing? What type of playing is
why you go tell me say now?
this is playing. Why?
I tell you say I dey fast. See as I live like that, I never chop this morning. And I come to show tell me say, hey, now you no fit try am. There must be something for you. There must be. And you know say nothing dey for you like this.
Oh, jiggy.
You no fit find man of God. I pray for you.
You see how to see it.